Christmas tide on high. Keep the falling down, magic light. Christmas tide on high.
Focus. Okay, so I just want to show you guys some of my daytime skincare products I do use on my face. This is the toner I use from Kiehl's. These are my nails. If y'all didn't see yesterday's vlog, I did get my nails done. But this is freaking the Glow Recipe Serum that I like to use. It has niacinamide, dewdrop, so basically hydration, helps with acne. It's going to balance the skin, make the skin feel really nice and glowy. This is just the eye cream that I go with. It's the Skin Effects Healthy Eye Treatment. This is really good and it's light. Also, it's not that expensive, so that's why I like this one. And then lastly, we got the Tatcha, the water cream. So these are just some of the products I wanted to share, just because a lot of people do always ask me like, oh my god, what should I use on my skin? What do you use? So these are the products that I use. Keep in mind I have combinations to oily skin, but like right now it's really combination to normal skin. And now I'm going to just show y'all some lashes I got from Lilly Lashes. Alright, so these are all the Lilly lashes that I got. They did have the 50% off sale for Black Friday, so I definitely utilize the sale. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can really see. So these ones right here are honestly my favorite ones. These are the Beezer lashes. These are mink lashes. So pretty. You can use them multiple times and they just look super glam. These ones right here is also one of my favorite lashes. These are the So Extra Miami. If you guys could tell, I love a wispy lash. And these ones right here, like with your order, you got like a mystery lash. So these are the mystery lashes right here. And then this one right here is the So Extra Mykonos. So really pretty as well. It's just a whole lot fuller. And then it came with like this free little eyelash applicator glue, which is really good. It's like a pen. It looks like an eyeliner. It's really good to just keep in your bag. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So this is the end result. I'm probably gonna come on again when I'm upstairs in natural daylight so y'all can really see the details of the look. But this is how I'm looking, and I'm about to hop up out of here and go to work. Alright, y'all, so this is what my face is looking like, natural lighting, and I'm about to get ready to leave and go to work. Y'all, I got my favorite salad. I had left this yesterday at my job, and I finally got it today. This is my favorite salad by Chick-fil-A. This is a crispy Cobb salad. It has like crispy bell peppers. It has boiled egg. It has bacon bits. I'll show you how it looks. Like how, this is how the dressing looks. I always get the avocado lime ranch dressing. This is like my favorite one. And then I get, so this is how the cherry tomato crispy red bell peppers. I already poured it in. It's like these things. Oh my god, it's so good. If y'all buy Chick-fil-A, you have to get this salad. It's so fire. Oh, and it also has corn. So good. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'm gonna check back in. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target. Oh, and of course, crushed ice. This is like my pregnancy's biggest symptom. I have like 4 cups of crushed ice a day. I know it's bad and I need to stop, but I'm so hooked on ice. It's so bad. Alright, I just wanted to finish today's vlog and just show y'all the little stuff that I did pick up from Target and Sephora. So from Target, I just got me some Clorox Cleaner plus Bleach. Kills 99% of bacteria and viruses. I didn't have any of this, so I definitely need to pick up another one. I also picked up the Clorox Clinging Bleach Gel. This is really good, and it says it kills COVID-19 virus. So I guess that's what they put on all the Clorox bottles, so that's pretty interesting. I picked up some Colgate Toothpaste. This is a whitening plus charcoal. And then you can see all the stuff that it does. I really do like some Colgate. Don't come for me. I like Colgate. I did pick up this Bedhead Extreme Hold. This is just what I'm going to keep in my bag, just if I need any touch-ups or whatever the case may be. I went on a Native little like kick. This is their limited edition deodorant and candy cane. It smells really good. I couldn't find it in full size, so I just opted for this one, and it was literally the last one. I got me the Vaseline Healthy Hands Stronger Nails because I did a hand cream, and I guess my other hand cream was in my other bag, and like it's so cold in New York, so you definitely want to have hand cream at all times. So definitely have that. And you know it had pink and stuff, so it was calling me. This is Vaseline and jelly. I'm not sure what it smells like. I have a feeling it smells like nothing, to be quite frank, but I'll keep you guys posted. I picked up the Native Sugar Cookie. Oh my god, this body wash smells so fire. Hopefully my kids don't waste it all like they always do, but this smells so good. And I also picked up the Native Candy Cane. So I'm guessing this is like 2 holiday scents, and it's limited edition because they did not have a lot of the candy cane. The sugar cookie they had a lot of, but the candy cane, this was literally the last one, and y'all know I got it. I had to give me just some rubbing alcohol. I didn't have any of this, so I just picked up a bigger batch. And then from Sephora, because they get inside of me talking, from Sephora I got like 3 things. They are having a sale on anything Sephora collection. You do get 30% off, so I definitely picked me up the big coconut wipes, and I picked up some cotton rounds because I needed cotton rounds. And lastly, the Fenty Diamond Milk Lip Gloss. I'm trying to open it.
Open it, Mom?
Yeah, pass it to me. The Fenty Diamond Milk Lip Gloss. They finally had it back.
I have the Fenty lip gloss.
Yeah, the Fenty Diamond Milk Lip Gloss. It looks like this. I can't wait to put this on top of like nude lips and stuff, and y'all gonna just see how I pair it up. They finally got it back in stock, and I got it. It was like literally 2 left, and yeah, I got my hands on this one. So that's it for Vlogmas Day 5. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow at Vlogmas Day 6. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Have a good weekend. Love you.